So in a recent video where I shared my monthly income, I mentioned that during 1 month I made just over £2,000 from affiliate marketing alone. Now this obviously got some interest and a few people commented and left me messages wondering, how do you even get started with a business model like this? So I thought, why not share with you guys the basic and complete honest process that I took to go from zero to £2,000 in affiliate marketing income every single month. So if that is something that you do want to learn about, then make sure you hit that like button down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned because this is something we are getting into right now. Alright, so just before we get started, there is something I need to say just for full transparency. That basically is to get to the point where I have been now, where I have managed to make £2,000 a month from affiliate sales, has been no overnight success. So please do not view this video as any kind of guide to get rich quick or any kind of get rich scheme or anything like that. This is going to take a lot of hard work, honesty, and most important, patience. But one thing I can assure you is that these 3 steps that I took worked for me, and if you follow them too, then you have every chance of achieving the same. So finally, after all of that, let's get into my 3 basic steps that I follow to start and grow my affiliate marketing business. Okay, so step number 1, and this is by far the most important step in the entire process, and that is finding your niche. You're going to want to find one that you are ridiculously passionate about, one that you can talk about without feeling like there is any effort at all, and ideally one that you have some level of knowledge in. And the key thing to remember about all of this is that your niche can pretty much be anything. It doesn't need to be anything like making money online or investing, which I talk about. There are so many different ways to earn affiliate commissions in pretty much every single topic, hobby, or subject. For example, a couple of videos back, I showed an example of a guy that made affiliate income from talking about car roof boxes. So yeah, like I said, anything. Me personally, if you didn't already know, my main affiliates come from the making money and investing niche. This is by far the topics I am most passionate about, and I knew this because even when I wasn't on camera, it's something that I would be likely talking to my friends and family, and they were getting sick of me talking about it as well. So it's something that I felt comfortable talking about whether I was filming or not filming. So yes, it's extremely important to find a niche that you are passionate about. Do not think about the ones that could potentially make you the most money. I personally made this mistake. I thought I was going to be a tech blogger. I made a tech blog and a website and everything like that. It lasted about 3 weeks because it wasn't something I was massively passionate about. So number 1 most important thing is to pick something you enjoy talking about ahead of something that you think will make you money. Okay, so now you have a niche or topic you know you want to talk about, you know you are passionate about, and you know that you can speak about without really finding any kind of effort to get up and do so. Now you need to find some affiliate products to promote. Now, I've actually heard of people that have found their niche and they have actually fallen over at this stage because they didn't think there was any affiliate programs or affiliate kind of partnerships that they could develop within their niche. But the truth is there are absolutely thousands of affiliate programs, but you're never going to see them because you wouldn't have heard about them if you are not in the game. One little exercise that I like to tell people to do is the next time you are on a website that you use or a service that you use, scroll down to the bottom of that page and you will likely see, I would say 80% of the time, is some kind of section for its affiliates. And I can promise you that if this is something that you haven't done before and you are very, very new to affiliate marketing, you will be completely shocked on how many of your favorite products, your favorite services actually do have an affiliate program for them. One place I also suggest starting is Amazon affiliates. This is the affiliate network for Amazon, which needs no introduction, being it is the largest online store in the world. And I can almost guarantee you, no matter what your niche, you can create content that has the potential to earn money from Amazon affiliates. And I can actually prove that by just going through a couple of these examples. Now, the first one is, let's say you are building a niche around pets. You could create a blog post or a YouTube video that recommends or reviews the best dog collars on the market. From there, you can obviously link back to your Amazon affiliate account, and if the customer was to buy those products, you would earn a commission. Now, let's say you are in the car niche or the motor industry. You could talk about car cleaning products that work really well, or maybe you could film an actual video of you cleaning your car with the actual products and review them. Once again, someone is going to be watching that video, taking the value from that, realizing that that product is a good product for their car maybe, and once again, they will then then go to Amazon, buy that product, and you will get the commission for it. And then just one more example, this go completely far-fetched, and let's say you wanted to build a niche around sumo wrestling. And if I was blogging or YouTubing about sumo wrestling, you could do a video or a blog post talking about the best gifts that you could get someone that likes sumo wrestling. So you don't really even need to directly talk about sumo wrestling. You could just recommend gifts that you could buy someone that is similar to kind of the hobby that you're talking about. But yeah, I'm sure you get the point now. All three of these examples you can obviously link back to Amazon products, so I fully suggest at least signing up to the Amazon affiliate program as your first move. Now, if you did want a step-by-step on how to exactly do this, I did actually release a video not too long ago showing you the entire process. What I will do is leave a link in the description for you to go and check that out after this video. All right, so we've got our niche, we've found some platforms and products to promote. What's next? Of course, we need to get people to that website and we need traffic, and there is only one way of doing that, and that is content, and you guessed it, more content. And like I just mentioned, just like anything on the internet, content is king and you are going to need a lot of it. So make sure you understand that before you even think about diving in and getting started. And I guess the main decision that you are going to have to make is exactly how are you going to create your content? Is it going to be a YouTube channel? Is it going to be a blog? Maybe you're thinking about starting a podcast, or maybe you want to build a Facebook group or just stick to social media. Either way, you are going to need to do one that you are comfortable with and one that you enjoy. So let's say you're scared to be on camera and you know you won't enjoy filming yourself. Maybe it's best to skip YouTube at the start. Or let's say you hated English in school and maybe blogging ain't going to be the one for you, then maybe do YouTube or a podcast or something like that. This is very much a decision you will have to make, but don't worry, there are great opportunities no matter what type of content you decide to put out there. The absolute main thing that you need to understand is that you need to be able to create quality, honest and valuable content over a sustained period of time. This is how you're going to grow traffic, build trust with your audience, and eventually over time start to see the results when it comes to your own affiliate sales. Now, they are the three super simple steps that you need to put in place before you even think about getting your first affiliate sales. What I'm going to do now is actually talk about a couple do's and don'ts when it comes to creating content if you're trying to build that audience and grow some affiliate income. And this start off with the biggest don't, and that is do not consistently try to sell to your audience. The whole point of affiliate marketing is that you are providing value for free and promoting products to the audience that they can purchase through you at no extra cost to them. And it is so important to realize that you are the one that does not need to do the selling. That is completely the job of the owner of the product or service. You need to focus 100% of your efforts to providing true and honest value to your audience, which actually leads me to my massive second don't, and that is do not promote products that you either don't use or you have never used in the past. This is such a no-no when it comes to building an affiliate marketing business. It is so important to know about the product you are talking about and be completely passionate about it as well. And one thing to actually mention, there isn't actually any point on even trying to do this, because if you are talking about a product that you know nothing about and you clearly have no passion apart from thinking you are going to make money from it, it shows so clearly in your content. How do I know this? Because when I first started my affiliate marketing journey more than 5 years ago, when I said I created my tech website, I tried doing exactly the same things. I tried to talk about products that I never owned. I went to places like ClickBank and tried to look for the best paying service that I could promote, and even just writing about it, because that's what I did for 3 years before making my YouTube channel. I just felt that I wasn't being true with my audience, and the results proved that in the end. Now, moving on to something that you should do, and that is to be 1000% completely honest with your thoughts on a product. Just like anything in the world, trust is so important, and the same rubs off with affiliate marketing. Be honest about the products that you're promoting. If they have a flaw that you don't like, let people know. It will go so much further with your audience than you trying to hide it, them buying the product and then realizing that you haven't been completely honest with them. In fact, most people, including myself, expect products to have their flaws and services to have their flaws, because I personally think there is no such thing as the perfect product. It always has room to improve. So if you're selling them as the perfect something, it may even start to seem too good to be true, and it may just put people off straight away. So yeah, there are a couple of do's and don'ts and do's when it comes to thinking about creating content for your affiliate marketing business. Just for recap, number one, you're going to want to pick a niche, and a niche that you are passionate about and love talking about no matter what. Number two, you're going to want to work out a plan on how to monetize that niche with affiliate partnerships and programs. Number three is going to be content. You're going to want to build traffic, build trust relationships, and over time, this will just get easier and easier. Now, as I mentioned, this is very much the simple process that you will need to take. One thing that I'm asking you guys is that if you did want me to go a little bit deeper into any of these 3 stages, then please do let me know in the comments section down below, and I will create some content around it. Other than that, like the video if you found some of it valuable, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, of course, and I shall catch you guys in the next one. Take care.